Welcome to Curious at Heart, an engaging way to walk alongside your child as they discover, appreciate and connect with the world around them. We offer Montessori-inspired learning kits for 5 to 12-year-old children to make home learning a breeze. Our kits are simple, engaging and developmentally appropriate. They are delivered to your doorstep monthly with everything you need to make ordinary learning extraordinary. We provide you with an engaging curriculum, lessons and resources, then print them out and prepare them for you, deliver them to your door and leave you to do the fun part, engage in them with your child. We provide you with explicit step-by-step instructions with photos and videos to support each lesson so you feel confident to dive on in. We provide you with a learning map for your child each month with a broad range of lessons that cover math, language, botany, history, zoology, practical life, grace and courtesy, geography and geometry. Thanks for visiting our page. We hope to have you join the Curious at Heart community soon.